Hello. I'm going to lead you through some building processes in Revit for this little building that we have here. I know we started this in class last night, but as you work over the weekend, I'd like you to have some resources to help you remember all of the different steps we took in creating each of the forms. And this time I'm going to start from a basic file. So right here I have the sheet open on the project for this, but you don't own, or I haven't given you this sheet yet. You only have a PDF or a PNG of this file, just an image. But if we go up to the home button next to that big R, we can go to Model New. And this time we're just going to browse to the residential default that we opened in class last night and click Open. It's a template file, but it's not in that first primary dropdown. You have to go through the browse. And then click OK for a new project, and it will open a new tab on the canvas to show you a new drawing space. And in here, unlike last time, we have a lot of different floor plans already created here. So let's just start work on the first floor. So we're on that first floor plan, we're in the architecture tab, and we're going to start with a wall command. And this time, if we do the little drop down box on the properties panel for the wall command, we can see all these different thicknesses of walls. I think generic 6-inch is going to be fine. If you want, let's see, wood siding on wood stud would probably also be fine. So let's see. We can look at the options bar, and it's going to tell us it has an unconnected top height. It's going to be a 20-foot tall wall, and it's going to be drawn from center line to center line of the wall. So when I indicate a distance, it's measuring from the middle of that wall, the center line of that wall, to the center line of the next wall. I could measure the distance from a finish face if I wanted to, or a core face, core being inside. And then chain is connected, and that, or selected, and that means that as I begin to draw, so if I click into the drawing space and pull, I don't have to have a mouse button down, I just am pulling to the right, that here, I'm going to make it 18 feet wide. So I'm just scanning until I get that temporary dimension that says 18 feet, and I click. But the chain command means that it automatically is going to link the next wall to the last wall. Here I can type in 24, and it'll make that second wall 24 feet long. And then I want to make a perfect square. So I'm coming back around, and I see that dashed blue line, and it tells me that I'm in alignment with the wall above. So I can click there. That's 18 feet again. And then come back when I see that little purple square. It's telling me that it's going to snap a nice clean finish. And then you can see that there's no joints. Everything is fully integrated together. So that's our base walls already done. And we'll just check in the 3D view to see how that comes out by clicking on that little house on the quick access toolbar. And there they are, this volume of 20 feet high, 18 by 24 feet on the ground. And so now that 3D view is open on my tabs here. So if I want to go back to the floor plan, I can just click on the first floor plan tab.